Flooded yards and flooded fields. This was a scene as people across parts of northwest Indiana, they're waking up to again this morning.
Dozens of homes are now at risk and dozens of homes have already been evacuated. CBS 2's Mike Puccinelli is live at Lake Station with a look at the water levels. Good morning, Mike.
Hi, the good news is the latest word we've gotten from officials is that the water is not rising anymore. This is Oklahoma Street that you're looking at right now. Obviously totally impassable here, but they're telling us that the water is not going down at this point yet either. So the good news though from overnight is that so far they haven't had to make any rescues last night. That after an evacuation order was put into effect, but it is voluntary, and CBS 2 has confirmed that at least from 25 different homes the residents had to be evacuated and did indeed follow the order and left. They fled to higher ground. Now, from Chopper 2, you can see firefighters in this town of 12,000 going door to door by boat. 8 people were evacuated by the department's Marine unit yesterday. 9 horses also had to be taken to higher ground. Now, the boats will be back out today checking on homeowners who've decided to try and wait out the worst flood in a decade. Olivia Romero went to work in the morning thinking her home was in pretty good shape. When she came back, the water was lapping at her door. So this mother of 2 girls decided, well, it was time to go.
A 6-month-old baby, so that's why we're just gonna shelter at my cousin's house, and happy that she's offered to help. Like I said, we'll worry about material things later. Right now it's just safety.
Most people are staying with families, but some folks have gone to Red Cross shelters. A couple have been set up, and right behind me you can see that the water is pretty much right up against the front wall of this house, whereas this house right here actually is up off the ground a bit, so far it has not invaded the living space of that home. We talked with that homeowner just a little while ago, and we're going to let you know what she had to say coming up in the next half hour. Reporting live in Lake Station, Mike Puccinelli, CBS 2 News. Marissa, Aaron?
All right, Mike, thank you.